Nicholas. Nicholas, who are you talking to? Who are you talking to, bud? Nicholas.
Hi, buddy.
Hey.
Hi. What are you doing?
I'm talking to the elephant.
Oh my goodness. You are the craziest boy I know.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Is that Daddy?
Hi, buddy.
His little feeties.
Mr. Johnny Jumper. Oh, you get it. You get it, Mr. Jumper. Yeah. Handsome boy.
Yeah,
You are a handsome boy.
he's handsome, especially at 5 in the morning. We got energy to burn.
Energy to burn.